Now let us introduce how to operate SuperbMelt 200 dump press. For now, the main power is here. We will already open. And then after start, we press the motor start button. Okay, for now it's in manual mode. Let's introduce the screen. Here is the cylinder set. Let us introduce one by one. The cylinder up is 135, it means on the top limit. And the cylinder down is top down limit. Pressure is adjusted here. For example, this machine is 200 done. We can change to 150, for example. Okay, the pressure will become 120. Okay, for this one, later we will change to 100 dump press, to press. Okay, here. And this one is press time, 1 second. Multi-press, only one, no need. Okay, for now, we are in the manual mode. We can check. Cylinder up, and the cylinder down, and the ejector. Ejector will be auto eject to make the product out. And eject down. Here, safety door, manual way, and go up. Okay. For now, we switch the auto mode to start the machine press. Now we change the pressure to press by auto way. For now, the auto way, we cannot change the parameter of pressure. We need a switch to manual way and change pressure to 120. 120 by 0.8. It will become 88 turn. So now we switch auto model and we press copper inside. Okay. For now, I will press the auto way, press here to start. Okay, we get the finish. Okay, the machine is very simple to operate. That's the whole process.